Hello everybody, welcome back to Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be talking about how to connect an API to make.com. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the process. So first of all, you are going to be heading over to your scenario and add a module. For example, click on plus icon and search for Dropbox. Then select the module you want, such as create a folder, then click create a connection. In the connection name field, you can name your connection. For example, if you have two different Dropbox accounts, you might name one Dropbox company and the second Dropbox personal. The tip here is that if your app has fields for credentials such as username and password, API key, client ID, and client secret, anything not on the list, refer to this article on specific app you want to connect for more information. Now click on save, and a new window prompts you can grant make access to your data. Now another tip here is that step 4 and 5 can vary. Carefully follow on-screen instructions and when granting consent. Grant make access to your Dropbox account and data. You created a connection between your Dropbox account and make, and you can now continue setting up module. You can find the connection in the connections settings. So this was a quick little walkthrough how you can connect any API to make.com. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did so, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.